Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas keys in MM2. During the annual Christmas event, these special keys become available. You'll typically earn them by participating in unique event game modes and completing specific challenges. These objectives often involve collecting festive items like candy canes or opening special gift boxes scattered across the event maps. It's all about engaging with the holiday-themed content to unlock your key rewards. To earn more keys, keep an eye out for special event maps that appear during the festive season. Keys are frequently awarded for achieving certain scores or surviving multiple rounds in these limited-time modes. Don't forget to check for daily login bonuses, as these often include a few extra Christmas keys. Completing a set number of matches, perhaps between 5 and 10, can also consistently yield a key, so keep playing. Once you've collected your Christmas keys, their primary use is to open exclusive event crates or gift boxes. These special containers hold limited-time items, including rare weapons, unique pets, and other festive cosmetics that are only available during the holiday period. Each crate usually costs a specific number of keys, often ranging from 1 to 3. Make sure to prioritize opening the crates that offer the items you desire most, as these rewards are temporary. To efficiently farm Christmas keys, consistency is, well, key. Play regularly throughout the entire Christmas event to maximize your collection. Focus on completing all daily and weekly event challenges, as these often provide significant bonus keys. Teaming up with friends can also help you complete objectives faster and earn more keys collectively. Finally, always check the in-game store for any special key bundles or limited-time offers that might appear during the event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.